I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the JLab GO POP ANC earbuds, a feature-rich set of earbuds at a very affordable price. Let's have a look. Of course, there are many different earbuds, headphones on the market, and they all have different features. But these ones from JLab really stand out for a few key reasons. The first thing that I'm going to point out to you is the size. It is really small. It fits in the palm of my hand easily, and you can't even see it when I close my fist. And the second part is the fact that inside here on the bottom is the USB-C charger. So built into the case is a charger, so you're never going to have to go looking for a cable. How great is that? When it comes to the actual earbuds, they are really also very small. They fit in your ear very easily, just by sliding them in. And talking about fitting in your ear, there's 3 different sizes of ear tips. So you can go from the small, which is down here, the medium, which are on here already, and then large. So you really have a lot of options. When it comes to the battery life of these earbuds, it is very impressive. Based on its size, you wouldn't expect it to have great battery life. But in fact, you get 7+ hours of actual playback and 24 hours total playback time when you combine it with the case. With an IP55 rating, you get splash proof and sweat proof from these earbuds, so you don't have to worry about using them when the weather conditions aren't so perfect. The Go Pop ANCs also support Google Fast Pairing. That means you can go ahead and pair it to your Android device without any trouble very quickly, but of course you can also pair it to your iPhone or your other devices, computers, so on and so forth. And with its multi-point Bluetooth technology, it means you can connect multiple devices to the same Bluetooth. You don't have to unpair and repair to another device if you want to switch from, let's say, your laptop to your phone or your tablet to your computer. You have multiple points that you can connect the Bluetooth with. When it comes to making phone calls, the built-in microphones on the Go Pop ANC are great. They offer noise cancelling technology and clear call technology, which means you're going to get nice, pleasing sound every time you make a phone call. When it comes to listening to music, a podcast, a video, the 10mm drivers on these earbuds sound great. And because the JLab app lets you customize it, you can set the EQ to be exactly what you want. The Go Pop ANCs also include active noise cancelling, and that is an amazing add-on. That lets you cut out all that distraction around you, whether it be on the streets, in an airplane, in just a busy office environment. It's great to have that. Plus, all the buttons on the side are active, so you can tap it once, twice, 3 times and get different outcomes. And it's all customizable in the JLab app. The case does also feature an indicator light in the front here that shows you if the case needs to be charged or if the headphones are charging. Either the red light or a blue light to show you what level of charge these are at. And of course, you can always check your phone too. The last thing I want to mention about these earbuds is the fact that they're under $30. To find a set of active noise cancelling earbuds under $30 is so rare, and with all the other features, I just can't recommend this product enough. I think for the price, it's great value and a great feature set. I will put a full description below, and you could see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.